Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now. In this video, we compare the XRP Ripple coin price in the day by day in the last 1 hour result and the last 3 days result of XRP Ripple coin price. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies market. Now let's see the XRP Ripple coin price prediction. What changes occur in the XRP in the previous 3 days, last 1 hour, 2 hour, what changes occur in the XRP Ripple coin. Now, first of all, let's see the live price prediction of 3 days. What changes occur in the last 3 days of XRP Ripple coin? Oh my God! As you can see on the graph of the XRP Ripple coin, in the previous 3 days, they start jumping upward. As you can see here, that's the live prediction of last previous 3 days of XRP Ripple coin. As you can see, the graph they are jumping upward, jumping upward. Absolutely. Jumping time of XRP Ripple coin at the previous last 3 days. Now let's see the live price prediction of the last year. 1 hour. Now let's compare it with the last 1 hour result. What changes occur in the last hour as it grows up or not? Oh my God, oh my God, absolutely it's a good news for RXRP Ripple coin. In the last hour they are start jumping. Now currently they are jumping in the market, as you can see here. Now let's compare the price of last 1 hour in the previous 3 days. What changes occur? As you can see here, the price of XRP Ripple coin, now currently the last 1 hour price of XRP Ripple coin is dollar 0.5545. $1 is the price of XRP Ripple coin in the market. Now let's see the live price prediction of last previous 3 days. What changes occur in the XRP Ripple coin prices? You can see here. Now it's loading. Please subscribe, please subscribe. Oh my God, as you can see here, it's falling down. Oh my God, it's a falling period. As you can see here, now the 3 days result price of XRP Ripple coin is 0.568637 dollar is the 3 days previous 3 days price of XRP Ripple coin. Now the current price of XRP Ripple coin is approx 0.555 for $1 is the current price of XRP Ripple coin. So it's a falling time of XRP Ripple coin starts now. As you can see here, the change is the price of XRP Ripple coin in the last hour and the before previous 3 days price change very fastly changed in a XRP Ripple coin. Now the current price of XRP Ripple coin is 0.5545 dollar is the current price of XRP Ripple coin. In the changes in this period of XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour is positive 0.35% change occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 1 hour. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.